Bonney Forge Corporation. Bonney Forge was founded in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania in 1876 by Charles South Bonney. Originally, Bonney Forge crafted forged and finished hardware for horse-drawn wagons. Later, it became a manufacturer of automotive hand tools, and now it is a manufacturer of fittings and unions, branch connections, steel valves, and specialty products. In 1953, Bonney Forge was taken over by the Milan Manufacturing Company of Detroit, Michigan. In 1964, the firm was sold to Kelsey-Hayes Corporation of Romulus, Michigan. The company was for many years based in Allentown, Pennsylvania, where it had some of its manufacturing operations. Bonney Forge also had manufacturing operations in Alliance, Ohio, Orangeburg, South Carolina, and in Milan, Italy. Plant closures. In March 1964, Bonney Forge closed its manufacturing plant in Allentown after it moved manufacturing operations from there to the Mount Union, Pennsylvania. In August 2001, Bonney Forge closed its manufacturing plant in Allentown because the plant building could not be modernized to handle a new press. Distribution. Bonney Forge valves are broadly distributed internationally, prominently through HSB Valves in the UK, the Alloy Valve stockist in Spain, and AIV in the US.